welcome back to my channel, NaturalRoxxy here. So today I'm just going to go into the video and show you guys the Clairol texture and tone dye. This texture and tone I have been using for many years. I love this product. I am not a professional, guys, so please do what works for you and what's best for you. But I'm just showing you what I like. So I'm going to be using the 1B Silk in black. This is the first time I'm using this color. Usually I will go into jet black. This product I really like because it's not it's ammonia free. It does have 4 things in the box. It comes with the mixer, the solution, and the conditioner, and the glove. I don't use the glove. I only use the 3 other products in this line, which I really do like. Why I don't use the gloves, it's very thin for me, so I don't use it. So I'm just mixing these 2 together so that I can get the color that I need to place in my hair. Now going in, I do use Vaseline to protect my edges and my forehead of my hairline and the back of my ears, as well as around my ears, because I don't want the color black to stain around the edges, and usually that does happen. And also just to protect the hairline, so that's why I do go in with Vaseline. It's your choice. You could do whatever is best for you, like I said. So these are the gloves that I like to use. They're just more stronger than the gloves that come in the packaging. I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb as well when I put the dye in to distribute my color. I like it that way. And as you can see, I put my hair in 4 sections, just easier to do my hair in different sections. This is the color that it came out to be, black, like I said, silky black. So I'm just going to shake it up a little bit more just to distribute it evenly. I am going to be starting off with coloring my roots first, because my roots tend to take a little longer to color. Not sure why. I noticed that because when I put in a different color, I see the color still on my roots and not on the ends. So I prefer going in sections in my hair to distribute the color. As you can see in the video, I'm not sure if you saw that, my root has like that brown color that I had before, and the rest is black at the end, and so I don't like that. And so that's why I do go in from roots first and then work my way down to the ends of my hair, because the ends take faster than the roots, which is really weird to me. So I'm just going to distribute this all through my hair, like I said, in sections. And doing this in sections just makes it much more easier for me, knowing that I can apply the product and that it will go on evenly on my hair and not be a total mess all over the place, because you have to be careful, guys. Black is so staining, it's not even funny. So I'm just going to place this on the rest of my head, same way that I did the other side, in sections. Just make sure that the color is on my edges like I like, and on the roots of my hair. It's very important for me. And the rest of the video will be self-explanatory for you guys, and I will come back and finish off the video. So at this point, I do go back into the bottle and try to finish it up just by making sure that I distribute the color throughout my hair. As you can see, I use a wide tooth comb to comb through the hair, guys. If you don't like this, don't do it. At this point, I feel like my hair is really soft with this color treatment in my hair, and I like to comb it out to make sure that it's just evenly distributed. I just like to do it like that. You don't have to do it that way, but that's just how I find it to be a little bit better for me. Now I'm just going to go and take a plastic cap, and I'm going to let this sit for about 10 to 20 minutes on my hair while I go ahead and do some things in the house. So I'm back washing my hair out. This is the color. My hair curl pattern is still there. It does not look like I lost any curl patterns, which is good. I did wash out my hair with this shampoo. I will leave a link to the shampoo. Now I'm going to go in with this ORS hair conditioner mayonnaise, and guys, this thing is amazing. Like, I have been using this thing for years. I forgot about it, and I'm so stupid. So now I went back using it because my hair needs this. After I dye my hair, do anything to my hair, I need to bring back a little bit of protein in my hair because this is a protein treatment. But guys, it's really, really good, and I will highly, highly recommend you guys go and try it out. If you guys have tried it out before, please let me know. I do believe there's a different ingredients in this thing, which is really good. So go ahead and try it out. So now I'm going to distribute it in my hair like a paste, and I'm just not going to use much of a section. I'm just going to put it all over the edges of my hair, the roots. I'm going to start from the bottom of my hair and work my way up, and I'm going to distribute it all through. Then I'm going to put it in 4, twist it up. That's how I like to use any conditioner, period. That's what I do, and I'm very heavy-handed when it comes to deep conditioners because I just need my hair to come back, have some balance, have some moisture after using a dye, because dyes, rinse, anything you put in your hair, guys, it always tends to dry it out, and you want to be careful so that you don't have any type of breakage, not having any fallouts or anything like that. Just don't put it in your hair and wash it and think that you're not going to try to bring back some type of moisture back to your hair. It's very, very important because our hair is brittle, very, very brittle. So we need to do, whether you have healthy hair or not healthy hair, you do have to put in a conditioner. Just for my recommendations, that's what I would say. Like I said, to each is their to penetrate. So now I twist up my hair. I'm finished putting the conditioner. I am going to be placing a plastic cap over my hair, and I'm going to sit underneath this beautiful steamer. Guys, this steamer is so, so nice. I will leave a link in the description box. That was my hair shedded after I put in the conditioner. Very happy about that one. So back to what I was saying. This steamer is amazing, guys. When I say the bomb, it is so good. Like, I found it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below so you guys could go and check it out. It is pretty pricey. I'm not sure if you can get it cheaper on Amazon. If you can, let me know. But I just put the water in this dispense at the back. As you can see, I use bottled water. I do not use tap water ever in my hair, even when I'm using in my spray bottles. That's just my preference. You can do whatever's best for you, like I always say. But this steamer, guys, is worth every coin that you can possibly think of. So it has 2 light green lights on it. One is for the starter and one is for the steamer. And look at the steam, guys. When I said this thing steamed my hair, I sat underneath the dryer for 20 minutes because I just needed it to penetrate my scalp the way that I wanted it to. And it boils. This thing boils up. As you can see, I'm showing you the water boiling, and it's just really amazing. So you have to be careful. So just be careful because it is hot. It does get really, really hot and steamy. So you just have to be very careful using this steamer. So this is my hair after I came out of the steamer, guys, and look at that. My hair looks so moisturized. It was moisturized. You can see the plastic cap was extremely wet. I love it, love it, love it. And I could not talk about this thing any more than I possibly can. This is my hair after the conditioner is still in, and my hair is just so moisturized, guys. When I say moisturized, I can feel the moisture, and the curls are still there. My curl patterns did not go away at all. So after washing out the conditioner, I did go in and use the conditioner that came in the box, but I did not show on camera. And my hair did still feel very, very moisturized. As you can see, my curl pattern is here. It did not go anywhere. And so that's why I do recommend to please use a protein treatment after you do your coloring. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys love this video. Let me know what kind of color you guys use, the brand you use, and I do want to color my hair with something else, but I'm not sure what, but I want to put something in the front. So let me know if I could try something else in the front, and we can get the comments rolling. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.